It's Friday, and we got to finish this Oldsmobile up. Race car, bomber car. Got a whole bunch done to it. The old man got the cage almost all welded. It's in. We got to do some cleanup on it, and then got the roof back on it, the down bars in it, ripped out all the AC stuff, all the heater box stuff. So we just got to get some sheet metal, cover this stuff up. We got the front bumper on it, closed out the headlight panels. There's probably a few things we're not going to be able to get to. Those need screens in there to protect the radiator and stuff, but got the wheel wells out. He's mounting the seat, or trying to figure out what kind of wood we're going to use to mount the seat, apparently. So, you know, we got to use that good oak. But, yep, it's coming along. We're going to see if we can get it to where we can get it at least painted. We don't know. Yeah, well, you know. Alrighty. Blah, 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 blah. You'll have to go in, but like this is all rotted, so have to be about right there if you're gonna put a rivet in it. That's how you fix rot. Just build yourself a panel and pop rivet it in. It's been a long day. Oh, fuel cell in it. Got the bars in there, finished welding up. Putting it in there. Did it go in rust, or did it actually? Alright, well that's good.
Where are we going to put the battery at?
Right. It'll have to be in the cab somewhere.
I put it right there where they trace it.
Well, ain't this a what do they call them? EV cars? Nah.
I don't know if you put it over there. I think I might be able to stretch the cable, at least the positive. So I'm not sure. No, I wouldn't recommend that. But yeah, there's a whole bunch of shit going to that, so I might be able to extend that. So welding in that. Oh, quite a bit of work in a couple, well, 2 days. So, but be here. Hopefully, it's supposed to leave today. I don't know. That's gonna happen. I gotta hook up some fuel line. I got the fuel cell in it, and then get the battery mounted. He got the cage in it, as much as we can get done for the guy. So it's been going. So it's been non-stop. Probably gonna go grab me something to eat, but then we got our own race cars to get done and finished up. Luckily, there's not a bunch of work to do to them. We had to basically build this one, so we'll get her done. Made the closeout panels for the end where that was rotted out and cut out, and then, like I said, he's welded in the metal reinforcement sheet metal around the cabin area, so safety stuff. Got the down bars in. He put in some extra bars on the passenger side. Kept it reinforced. Shit. Oh. Nothing. Oh. Yeah, I don't know if we can mount the battery right there, or it's too close to the cab area. I mean,
it's secured in it.
I
don't know, right here.
No, that's what I'm saying, right there or something like that. Because I mean, in the Pinto, it's right behind you.
That's what I'm thinking, right there.
Or I mean, you could put it right behind him or over. I'd rather have it over there, I guess.
As long as it's tied down good.
So, next thing.
Fixing rust. You don't need a fancy welder. Drill bit, a whole lot of pop. Oh, better not drill into that. Perfect. Drill that hole. Yep. Make sure you get through the panel. Oh shit. Get yourself some fancy pipe rivets. Pop them on. Alrighty. Let's see if I cut a little bit here. Perfect. good.
Excuse me, pardon me.
I got the bottom on where I want it. We're just gonna kind of make a nice little cut there. There we go. That's fancy. What's that? I don't know yet. We're about to find out here. If I bring this into some Bondo. Yep, and what you do is when you get done with this, you take some stuff called panel bond, you put on the back side of that, sand that shit off. They're really good. I don't know where they're from. All right. Yeah. Well, I mean, it's possible. Golly. And you want to alternate your rivets so you don't warp the panel. Oh. how to use my other hand. Solid. See, just throw some fucking paint on that, and you're good as gold, man. You ain't even got to grind the welds because there ain't no fucking welds. Just seam that shit in with some bonder. Nobody will know. You ain't got to put a window back in it. Because when you're racing, you're out front and you got to see behind you. Yep, that's something of mine. Yeah, that's all good. That's from all the fucking top rivets. She's solid though. She ain't coming out there. She looks alright. Yep. Yep. You could tell that she was a solid rust-free car.
Yes, it was. All the goddamn
Rust
was
free.
free.
Everything about it. Well, yeah, that's all that matters in a race car.
Look at that.
This fucker. Look at you. He's trying to put a seat in.
I tried, goddamn it.
You got the door open?
Yeah, no, I made it. I couldn't match it with the other one, so I had to cut it out so the door open. But it looks good. That way, I mean, if we,
You don't see that side anyways.
I don't
know.
It looks. Oh, wee. All right. But yeah, no, I had to trim it out so he could open the door. But good job, come out real nice. Now. What you doing?
I want to wait this winter's coming on. Cut it off.
That's what we toss.
Bullshit. Don't fucking tell me I won't get in there.
You ain't gonna get it.
I'd get in there.
You ain't gonna
I only weigh 265 pounds of all fat. Well, we don't have the parts for that. I mean, if you had a removable steering wheel, well, you have to. You can't.
Really, but you're far away.
Run your hand around my bar. You wouldn't drive down here anymore. Be right here. Yeah, but look, it looks like you're pretty comfortable though.
I am.
So I mean, if we're taking a fucking cage out that ain't meant for this car, and putting it in here, all right. This is the moments of when you take what you have and you fucking make it work. Hey!
Did you mark this?
How?
What?
Nothing. I was talking to him. He's bitching about something about me marking. I don't know, man. I just hold it for you. I mean, if the seat was solid in there, you would be able to get in and out, but I would get a removable steering
It's
wheel.
going to have to be.
You know.
That's part of the fucking rules.
But we don't have one. So that's something he's gonna have to do. figure out. I don't know. I have an extra one laying around. We had a cage. We had the car. It ran. It drives. It does shit.
We can't go over anymore because we're right there.
All right. That's. I got some zip ties if you just want to tie it in. Be like Tony breaking the seat on the fucking AMX. This has been a long day.
It's been a long day.
It's been a long day.
Long day to go.
That ain't where that seat goes.
It goes wherever the fuck I put it.
It ain't go there. Thing's number 7.
Hell yeah.
It's a halter.
Now what? You can't one coat that?
I gotta put another one on it.
Oh, shit. Oh, we gotta unhook the battery charger. It should start without it now. It's not on, is it? Come on.
Got no mirrors.
No, that's a risker.
Where you're going, you don't need mirrors.
Alright.
Got a gauge, dude.
Well. Right.
Lost his hat.
Dumbass.
Lost his hat. There ain't very much gas in that car now.
What?
It's open.
All right.